Hello and welcome to this tutorial. In this video I'm going to show you two smoke setups for B. You're going to come into the tunnel through the B and you're going to push B. Come into this lever here and you're going to aim on the right side. Do apologize. Here. Let go. And as you can see, door is smoked. This could also be viable for a jump throw, for a flash to sight, which flashes everyone, or a flash when you come here, aim down, and that also flashes sight. Another smoke technique is the leverage smoke, which a lot of people use. Throw and type, and that way it smokes everything in the front side. It gives you leverage to come out from the tunnel and peek. And this also allows you to flash with the smoke. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon.